Chad Reed on the main broadcast blasted Supercross. And he has a good point because he has an interest in this. This obviously comes after the A2 SMX Next crash. And I mean, he is involved in this. He's working with Club MX as the director of performance. Correct me if I'm wrong there. He also has 2 kids who are going to be racing this series next year. And the quote saying, "I'm surprised they're putting them on the racetrack at this point. This is the worst the track will be all night long. I think Supercross needs to be better. These kids rip. They're the future. We need to give them space." Now, it's a really, really big crash too. And luckily, the kid who did get hurt posted an update and isn't seriously hurt, or not severely. But it makes a really good point. Why are you putting these, really amateur, not really amateur, but like they're amateur kids on a Supercross, like a full pro track after the 450s? So it's the most torn up it's going to be. It's the hardest it's going to be. Why not do this after they've fixed it a little bit earlier in the night, some other point where it's not just like death cross? I mean, a lot of these kids are young. They probably have very little experience to, no experience on a Supercross track. And what the SMX Next is only a few rounds. It's not every single week. And it's really, really big crash. I mean, right early in the race. So everyone's involved. Everyone's there. It could have been way worse than it was. And I mean, it's surprising that someone like him, who is a veteran, has the experience to talk about this. And normally these kind of things get said in interviews afterwards, or like in something, but not on the absolute main broadcast. And I doubt that they knew he was going to say it, but it's probably a good place for it. It actually, instead of getting pushed to the side or on some site that nobody might look at, where everyone's watching it and listening and seeing it, it's probably a good place for it. You gotta say, it is a good thing. It is a good program to have these kids out there racing, getting used to a Supercross track and that kind of environment. And it's not a bad thing to do it. It's just, it needs to be done, like you said, in a better way, at a different time of the night where the track isn't the worst it's going to be, with, amateur kids on it and it being a full pro environment. But, I mean, hopefully it does change. Hopefully they can make this a little safer and not have these massive injuries to, young kids who are just getting into it. I mean, obviously they've been racing for a very long time, but into just Supercross. But I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. When should they do it? Do you think what he said was right? Whatever. Comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.